You've already made an amortization table to show how you pay off a loan over time. In this lesson, you're going to be looking at the effect of making an extra payment and how much and at what time during the loan. So that is one of the powerful features of a spreadsheet like this, is being able to make financial plans and predictions of the effect of different decisions you might make. So suppose you decide to make an extra payment in the third month, and maybe you pay an extra $500 this month. The question is, what does that do to your loan? How does that affect your loan? So we've got this working spreadsheet, and the effect of this $500 is going to show up this next month. This month we still owed $17,000 and $17,188, and we paid $272.70. And so I need to account for the fact that I also paid an additional $500. So if I went to month 4 and I look at the formula up here, it's taking my $17,188 and it's subtracting the payment that I made, $272.70. I also want to subtract my 500. So I'm going to subtract another thing, and I'm just going to click on the 500, and it's going to also subtract the 500. So you can see that that value just updated, and everything below it now updated. So I would claim I could copy this formula and paste it up the chain, and I could do the same thing if I paste this formula down the chain, meaning like I could just grab this cell that has the updated extra, subtracting the extra amount. If I copy this down to the very end, I can now add extra payments anywhere I want. Like I could make an additional payment of $200 in month 7. And you'll see this month 8 value drop by $200, and the effect cascades down. So let's go back and ask our month 3 question again. I'm going to put $500 in month 3, an additional payment that goes entirely towards paying down the loan. What happened to the duration of the loan? So how long the loan lasts? So if I go back and look at the end here, the loan is now paid off in 58 months, because in the 59th month it goes negative. So in the 58th month, the loan will be paid off, and I just have an extra $72 left to pay. So it subtracted 2 months off of my loan. And you could start to calculate the effect of the total interest paid and the loan length and things like that. So it tells me here it was 58 months. And if I delete my $500, my total interest paid goes from $1,886 back to $1,994. So you can see the effect on the total interest paid. So the tool that you've been building ends up being a very useful tool to be able to make predictions if you were to make extra payments during a very specific month, if you wanted to make a plan to pay off this loan early.